Testing Yeti 1, 2, 3 from the front in cardioid position. Bidirectional testing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 from the left. 1, 2, 3 from the right. Front. Back. Omnidirectional testing. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Stereo test. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeti on the boom arm. 1, 2, 3. Cardioid test comparison to the Snowball. 1, 2, 3. Raw audio, just to see what the difference is. Cardioid test on the Snowball comparing to the Yeti. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you for watching this review of the Blue Yeti and comparison to the Snowball. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.